For the corner, I'm going to be using a paper tape, which gives you a nice crisp line when it's all said and done. For the joint compound, I'm going to use a USG all-purpose joint compound. I like to use that especially for the first coat because it has a lot of glue in it, so it adheres to a painted surface and to the joints real good. You want to make this a little soupier for the corner. Just add a little water. Again, you want to make the joint compound a little thinner because you want it to soak into the paper tape real good so it gets a good bond between the joint compound and the paper drywall tape. This is a good way to tell how thin or thick your joint compound is just by letting the joint compound flow off your knife back into the pan. It shows exactly how thick or thin it is. Use paper tape for the corner. I just want to go out right to the edge and just tear the paper. Then fold it. This is basically the same concept as the flat tape joints, except you don't want to pile the mud up in the corner. You want to pay special attention to the corners. I'm just adding the joint compound, probably a 1/16 of an inch thick, maybe a little thicker. I'm going to get it on both sides of the joint where the wall meets the ceiling. So you want to keep it nice and smooth, light pressure so you do leave the joint compound for the tape to bed in. Then you take your tape, stick it in the seam, and just you can move it back and forth before you press it down, or even after. You can adjust a little bit before you wipe it with your knife. You want to take your finger, just run it down the edge, and then again start in the middle and go one way at the bottom, then in the middle go the other way. Same thing up top. Start in the middle, go one direction, go back to the middle, the other direction. We've got 2 more coats and a skim coat going on. So basically you just want to smooth it out and you don't want to mess with it too much. You just want to go over it. Make sure you don't tear the paper with the edge of your knife. Just light pressure, and there's your corner.
Subscribe for more drywall tips. Thanks for watching.